So what you have to do is take some bigger size seeds. Okay, don't take the smaller ones, as there are less chances of them to germinate, but you can take the bigger seeds and take at least 3 to 4 seeds and then try the germination process. So even if one seed fails or 2 seed fails, you still have some chance. Okay, so you can take the regular seeds from your like lemon which you have at your home. You don't have to go anywhere else. I will tell you about the soil composition and how much time does the lemon takes to grow, and how can we prepare the whole lemon tree with the help of just a single seed in this season, that is in summer or monsoon season. So growing lemon requires very less amount of hard work but great amount of patience, because it's a very slow growing plant. Like if you are growing it with the help of seed only, it will take some time, but then it doesn't require a lot of hard work. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the soil composition. So in the soil I have grown my lemon. I have taken 50% garden soil, 30% cow dung compost, that is cow dung manure, which is known as gobar ki khaad in Hindi, and the rest of the partition is coco peat only. I prepared this soil in summer. If you are preparing this soil in monsoon, you don't require coco peat because of the rain that actually exists. Okay, so just take the seed which I have shown you in the earlier part of video. Just take a normal lemon seed, okay, and sow it in the soil. Approximately 1 inch or half an inch, that's it, half an inch under the soil, that's it. So what you have to do is water that portion daily. You can prepare a seedling in a small glass as well. I'll show you. Yeah, you can see this is a small glass, and I am preparing some seedling over here, some another seedling, but I'm just showing you as an example. So you can prepare a seedling of, like, put a seed over here and let it germinate for a few days, and then you will start seeing some results. What you can do after you see some results, after your plant becomes an inch or two, you can either transplant it in the soil, or you can let it grow for a few inches over here, okay, and then you can transplant it. So what I have done is, you can see this small lemon plant is 1 month old. This is what I was telling you, that if you grow your lemon plant with the help of seed only, it will require some patience, but then the results will come. They will definitely come. So this is 1 month old. This is another lemon tree. This is, I think, 3 feet tall now. This is a big lemon tree, like not that big, but yeah. I have grown it with the help of air layering only, and this is 1 year old. Okay, now new leaves are already started coming. So if you are trying to grow, and the soil composition is similar, okay, but I have told you in the earlier part, the soil composition is same only. So if you are trying to grow your lemon tree in pot, then you have to take a big size pot like this. This is a very big pot. I think this is somewhere around 20 inches or more. So if you have to grow it in the pot, then you have to take a big strong pot. Otherwise you can totally choose to grow it in the ground as well, okay, no problem. Actually this gave 1 lemon only. It became yellow and we took it, that's it. Next year it will give so many fruits. Look at this. The only care it requires is first of all the soil, and secondly it doesn't catch any fungal infection, for which you can usually you can regularly use some homemade pesticide. I'll make a video about homemade pesticide as well, and yeah, that will be fine. This is Giloy, by the way. it actually started hugging its wood, so we gave it an artificial support, an external support. That's it. So yeah, I think after this plant grows to a few inches tall, it will start giving us some fruits, maybe small fruits. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have totally told you everything that is required to grow lemon tree at your home, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.